If you want to claim Opera GX rewards in slap battles, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. First, you need to have Opera GX installed on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, simply download it and complete the setup. Once that's done, open Opera GX and go to the GX Rewards section. From there, find the Slap Battles campaign, where all the rewards are available. When you open the campaign, you'll see different rewards such as crates, effects, and even null shards for the GX Glove event. To claim these rewards, you need to verify your Roblox account. Be sure to enter your actual Roblox username, not your display name, otherwise it won't work. After verification, your rewards will be linked to your account, and you can access them in Slap Battles. Also, there is a special GX Glove tied to this event. However, some parts may require extra steps, such as completing a badge in the game. That's it. This is how you can claim Opera GX rewards in Slap Battles. Hope this helps see you in the next one.